Hello, boss. How are you? I'm fine, and you, boss? I'm fine, and you? Sorry, boss. For me, Tuesday, Alex and the other guy, Shafi, 2 guys, I give you cold drink. William must take cold drink, put in fridge. Okay, for me, is take cold drink, is put in fridge. That security is coming for me. William is loping oil you. What is this? For me, I give you must search for you. Security is search. Okay, it's coming for me, is put in fridge. That security is going for Alex. Alex, William is loping oil. Alex is coming for me. William, for you, is loping oil. What is wrong with you? No, not oil. Shafi and you, I give you stuff put in fridge. It's a cold one. For me, is take cold drink and the Alex and the Shafi is going to my office. Yeah, security. Security, that one oil. For me, in the Shafi and Alex. Security, you don't come again for me. Fucking. What for me? What is wrong with you? You security. For me, I come for you. Staff must check that one. Not oil here. For me, long time is safe now. No loping anything. What is wrong today is loping oil for me. Come on, people all. Come on, company where no oil order for me. You can loping nothing. Camera inside. Which one is loping for me? Now. It's fighting a war for me. Now fighting a war for me. But hey, that one is fighting. That's why for me that guy is fighting. Come on, not me put his loping oil. No, boss, please. No. I must ask for you. Ask Alex. Shafi. Maybe Alex is coming work for me. William must work here. Must ask Alex. Not oil for me is loping. Sorry, boss.